So what is up, YouTube? It's your girl Danny Dior, and I'm back with more. And here I'm a college student purr. Finally, it is officially moving day, you guys, and I'm so excited. I'd be lying if I would say I wasn't nervous either. It's just a whole range of emotions, but I'm more excited than anything. So yeah, today it is just me, my mom, and my dad moving in. Yeah, because you know COVID and everything, and on top of that, my sister isn't here. But it's okay. It's okay. Hopefully, you know, we get everything done in a timely manner. Even though I bought the majority of my stuff, I still have a ways to go. So we're gonna go shopping when we finally reach down. It's almost about a 2-hour drive, depending on if there's traffic. My moving time is 12:45, but of course, you know, my dad is just like, go in traffic, so now we have to leave 5 hours early, I guess. So yeah. But as far as like my room, I tried to make it up the best that I could. I was gonna bring this rug, but I thought about it, like, does this really match my aesthetic? My bed, everything, shoe rack cleared, all of that is just shoes that I don't want to bring or I don't want anymore. So for the most part, my room is about clean. Here's the fit for today. You know, something slight. Okay. I didn't put on drip to move in because, like, first of all, it's 90 degrees outside and we're gonna be walking back and forth, so I just have this University of Georgia shirt and some biker shorts from Walmart. Yeah, so I already know it's gonna be a lot, so I'm trying my best to record that I definitely need to get a dorm tour and upload that. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Okay, so what is up, you guys? I have not finished setting up Jack. It's currently 6:18 p.m. My moving time was 12:45, but I was late, so we didn't reach here till like 1 something. So we've been out and about, like really running around, getting food, whatever. So 5 hours has passed, and this is all I have so far. Yeah, so this is my bed, and then for my roommate, if I do end up having one, that's where she's gonna sleep. If not, I'm probably gonna turn this into like a little hair salon type thing. I don't know yet. Let's just see what happens. But yeah, my place is pretty big, because this is supposedly is for the upperclassmen, but for some reason I just ended up staying here and I didn't choose to. But I'm not complaining. Only thing I would say about this dorm hall or this residence hall is that it's further from everything else. So of course I can still walk to stuff, but it's gonna take me a cool little minute rather than me living centrally on campus. But yeah, I ain't gonna show all the goods yet, but there's nothing really to show. But I'm gonna finish setting up and we just gonna get back into it. Okay, alright, bye. Who is it? It's me, Danny Dior, and welcome to my MTV Cribs. So you guys, it's about 9 something, I think like 9:45, almost 10 o'clock at night, and this completes day 1 of, I don't know, me being a college student, and all I can say is I can't do this. I don't know, like, it's supposed to be a fun experience, you know, a new environment, but I just feel lonely. Like, I don't know how I rushed to move out of my mama's house and now I'm bored. Like, I don't know, maybe it's because I don't have any car or friends or money, but like, I don't know, it's just, it feels weird. But anyways, y'all, so I finally finished, or somewhat finished, decorating my actual room. As far as the living room, that will have to come another time because it came unfurnished. Like, all the money I got and y'all could not furnish it. I don't know. I have a couple more things to get from my dorm, but I didn't want to keep y'all waiting. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so when you first walk in, here is my doormat. I got this from Ross, if you remember this from my haul. So you go up, it comes with the kitchen, came with the microwave, stove, fridge. So here I just have some dish soap and sink cleaner. Next I have utensils. Ignore that sound, I don't even know what that is, I'm not gonna mess with it. Here I just have knives, so yeah, don't play with me. And then a sponge and like a cloth thingy. So now go to the freezer. No, let's not go over there yet. Go up here, I have snacks. I have everything over to this side because as of right now I think I'm gonna have a roommate and I don't know if she's gonna bring food or not, so I didn't want to be generous. So I got freaking barbecue sauce for dinner, ketchup for breakfast, granola bars, hot Cheeto mac and cheese, which is actually really good, y'all should try it. Some seasoning, like spices for when I cook, cereal, the bulk mac and cheese, and then tortillas for when I actually cook quesadillas. Then up there I just have paper plates or foam plates, and then I have foil and in the bags right there. So close this and put that stuff up at the top shelf, but I will not be getting it. So in here in the freezer I just have some Eggo for breakfast because I do have a meal plan, but my first class is at 8 a.m. I'm not gonna have time to, you know, or I'm not gonna feel like waking up to go to there. I have some beef patties. These are really good, y'all. I got these from Sam's in a pack of 10. Y'all should try it. Next we have ground beef, 2 things of shrimp, and then pizza rolls. So let me put this here. Okay, and then next open the fridge. Down here we have shredded cheese. This is also like for, you know, when I cook eggs or maybe I don't like sliced cheese. Next we have vanilla almond milk because regular milk is nasty, and then strawberry milk. And then down here we just have smoothie, strawberry banana smoothie. And then I got this big old thing of sweet tea. Thanks Armand if you see this. And then I have a case of half and half eliminated tea. Haven't tried it yet, but clearly somebody did. We have some water bottles, yogurt in the back, eggs, pineapples, and turkey bacon. And this is just some food I had from earlier. So next we're gonna go down here. Here is my pans or skillet set I got from Target if you watch my dorm tour. And then here is one that my mom gave me. Thanks Mom. Let's see if these have anything. No, these are empty. Okay, so up here literally I have like 3 dishes, but y'all, I don't need it because I'm gonna be eating out paper plates. This is just a mug that says hello gorgeous. I have 4 plates, 4 bowls, and then the cups to match my little color scheme, even though literally no one's gonna see it. Okay, so this is the kitchen at full view. You walk in here and this is the empty ass living room I was talking about. You know what, bro, I don't even care. I'm probably gonna get like a bean bag or something, and you know, a rug just to make it feel homey. But this is that. And then here's the fun part. So here's my room site. Y'all can see the closet first. So here's my closet. You turn it on and they have it divided in half, but for some weird reason this half is smaller than this, so I do got a roommate. Sorry. But yeah, so all my clothes right here hoodies and jackets and stuff, and then like bags. And then down there is just supplies, laundry detergent, drying rack, water heater. That's that. And I don't know why I feel like this closet is bigger than my closet at home. But anyways, y'all, turn this light off. Now onto my bathroom. Turn the light on. It's actually not that bad. You know, could have a little update with the lighting, but it's not that bad. I'm grateful because Lord knows if I would have had community bathroom, child, no, that's no. So right here is just a sink, trash can that they gave us, and I got these this whole shower set from Walmart. There's my soap, shower head, and then I got this little foot pad from Walmart. And I got this towel from Macy's, this hamper from Ross. If you watched my my tour video. So I'm gonna turn that light off. Oh shit. Close that. And now for the part y'all all been waiting for. So like I said, you guys, this is my first day. I have literally so many items that I just forgot to bring because I was waiting till last minute. Like I was saying, I have like literally a whole bunch of stuff that I have to either go back home or go to Walmart and get because I want to wait till last minute. But for the most part, the room looks good. Okay, I worked with what I had. My budget, or probably spent about $400 on the whole room, so that's good. But let me go ahead and just show y'all what I'm with. So I'm supposed to have a roommate, so this would have been her side of the room. But wait, let me show y'all something. So you come in, and here's my dresser, my clothes in here, of course. Here you have my little Smell Good collection. Of course, I had way more at home, but I wasn't trying to bring the whole Bath & Body Works. Here is a note board that Aaliyah gifted me. Thank you, girl. And then just some select purses. I didn't bring all of them, just what I could grab and fit in the car. Some jewelry, my glasses, my Polaroid, this little thing to hang up pictures, stapler from Target. Okay, stapler from Target, my glasses, this calendar from Walmart, my laptop, iPad, clock, and it actually does work. I just don't have batteries in it. And then my little succulent. And then right here I have tapestry lights. It's cute, but I feel like the wall looks bare, so when I get the chance, I'm gonna put a mirror right there just to, you know, fill up this space. Next we have my trash can, power surge, and then my bag, y'all. Hold up, let me flip this back up. Like, I don't know, I feel like my room is simple, but it just gives a homey vibe. You know, like, look at that. Hold up. It's giving black girl luxury on a budget, okay? Because I'm broke. Flip the light off. This is how it looks. It's such a vibe. Like, I don't know. I might have to keep the light on because it's a little dark. But for the most part, you know, I'm chilling. Because you don't always want to just have the light on over you, you know? So that means if I was to come right here, you can still see me. You can still see me. Wanting to use this. I could. I also brought my ring light. It's behind my bed. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much my room. Of course, you know, I don't really want a roommate, but I don't think I have a choice. But I don't know. I thought she wouldn't be mad because I kind of just did what I wanted to with the room. But it's okay. She still do what she want on her side of the bed. But yeah, y'all, this is how it looks. I need to add a rug and just a couple more items on the floor. But I think I did really good to not spend so much, you know? So yeah. He coming different. Oh yeah, let me show you the drawers because I don't play. So first here, you have school supplies. Well, this is for my mirror. We got my planner, paper, and then my notebooks for class, and then just chargers that I might need. Backpack, umbrella, and you pull this out. More supplies, face mask, supplies, straw. Okay, push this back. Then you open this, and this is my hair drop. So I really thought I was going to add things and not turn up on them. Right, okay. I wasn't able to bring everything, but I did have the essentials. So, you know, got to be lace glue, hair glue, jam, hair vitamins. I bought all my scrunchies because I know it's like my favorite accessory, or used to be. Headbands, head scarves, bonnets. The headbands that I used to sell on my website, and then locks just in case mine get pulled out in a fight, because I can't. And then in this drawer right here, I want to say like cleaning supplies / essentials. So this is just more stuff. Well, this is 2 games in it, but this also has my spray and Lysol. And then right here you have dryer sheets, vegan bar soap, whatever that means, wipes, Dove soap, Lysol wipes, Lysol spray at the bottom, Lysol spray, and then extra deodorant. And as far as clothes, I'm not sure if I care too much, but this has underwear, hoodies, pants, or no, night clothes, hoodies, pants. So yeah, I don't know if you want to see under the bed too. I'm so glad they hooked my bed up the way they did, because y'all, literally I have so much storage and I'm so grateful. Here's my bin of shoes. I didn't bring every shoe I own because that would have took up the whole space, but I tried to pack as much as I can to this bin. Next is just a laundry basket, and then a container with more essentials such as paper towels, rags. Do y'all mind? Dang! Paper towels, rags, etc., etc. And then my step stool to step on my bed. And y'all, I literally forgot my freaking tripod to record. But let's see something real quick. Yeah, you guys, I literally just had like a freaking genius idea out of nowhere. I don't know. But I think I want to start a series of a black girl going to the University of Georgia. In no way is this meant to be discriminatory to other races or genders or anything, but I just wanted to give anybody who wants to possibly come here insight on what it's like. And also, even if it's not for you guys, I want to be able to look back 10 years and be like, oh my god, I remember that. Kind of like my personal but not personal vlog diary, whatever. So I want to call it Georgia Girl. I just came up with that, so if anybody else has that name, I'm so sorry. Georgia Girl series. So of course this will be video 1, I guess. First day of school, week in my life, just simple stuff like that. My opinions on stuff, non-biased whatsoever. And yeah, just give y'all a glimpse of what it's like to be a bulldog. So if y'all are interested in that series, definitely let me know something, because I don't waste my time. But if all hearts and minds are clear, your girl is a college girl now. But not for real, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm about to be a broke college student. Bye.